Yesterday, the tourism department held the auditions for the selection of the King Momo 2026 for the carnival floats. It was held in Panjim, and there was a contest of 6 participants. The participation was very active, and the selection process was very transparent. It was very tough also. So I emerged as the King Momo of 2026 and was declared by the Goa Tourism Department. It is a matter of great joy, great happiness, because the carnival in Goa is something which everybody looks forward to, especially our Goans abroad who plan to come or who have planned to participate, our tourists, and it boosts the entire economy and also the tourism of Goa. It also promotes the cultural heritage of Goa, and it helps us to take it across to the world, to India also. A lot of Indian tourists will also come. So this year the carnival, the tourism department plans to have this carnival in a very different format. They want to raise the bar, everything is going to be different, the float parades are going to be different, and it's going to be very inclusive. Or Lokanso Carnival, family participation of the youth, of the senior citizens, because the senior citizens hold a lot of key to the carnival festivities, how they were held in the past. So this year we are going to engage, it's going to be a very engaging carnival. So right now I can only say this, and we are sitting down, we are working out the modalities, we are committees for all the floats. Every city, the floats will be different, there will be participation of the villages, and we will be trying to revive the age-old traditional carnival of Goa. It's an exciting moment for me at the moment, and I'm very happy that the crown of King Momo has come to Margao, and from Margao it will go to Goa and go across wherever carnival is celebrated in India.
Viva Carnival!
Viva Carnival!